How to change your avatar in Heroes Wars. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video we are going to be learning how you can easily change your avatar in Heroes War. The process is quite easy, so let's jump in. First of all, launch open Heroes Wars and from the home screen go ahead and click on your current avatar at the top left corner. You'll come across this section where you can choose the change avatar button, and then you can choose from this available avatar list. Tap on the avatar you want to change for yourself to, and within a few seconds you will be able to change your avatar. Some of the avatars are already unlocked while some needs the completion of levels, and after you select your avatar it will be changed automatically. So that's how you easily change your avatar in Heroes Wars in just a few simple steps. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.